Hi, today I show you how to make easily your plumbing business website, plumber site. So you can design easily your website. I can give you every resource in free in video description. So let's start. First of all, we add some plugin. I give you every free and free plugin in free. This is paid plugin. And this one is free limiter plugin. So first of all, we add our free limiter plugin. Go plugin and add new plugin. And this is free version limiter. We need also premium version. Activate, and we cannot create account, just close it. Then we add our premium plugin, limiter premium. I give you a resource in video description. Add new plugin. Active plugin. We need another plugin with covering battery elements. Add new plugin. This is free plugin. Install it and activate. And we add our premium template. This is our template link. You can download easily. This is premium, but I give you free. But after install our template, we add our theme, appearance, go theme, and we add our hello elementor theme. When we go our elements and go install create, when edit and add our zip file, install requirement plugin and close it. Then click here. Then we need to add our pages. First of all, we add our home page. Go page, add new page. We add this page, new tab. Publish it and add our another page, about us page. Add new page, paste here, about us page, publish, and we add our service page. Add new page, publish service page. Then our contact page. Add new page and publish our contact page. Then click here. Then publish our contact page. Then click here and add our blog page. Add another page. And publish. You also add another page or custom page or your team page project details. So I just add some important page. Then we go our appearance, go menu, we create a menu, main menu, click create menu and add all pages. And uh, we add our home page in first, then about us page, then service page. You can easily move your page, then contact page, then set menu. Now we add our first page, home page. We design our home page, edit page, edit with elementor. Just close it and click here page setting, change page layout, elementor with canvas, and add our header. Then add our home page. Our home page is attractive plumber business website. You can add any, you can change every line of text and miss. Then we add our footer. So we complete our home page. You change your text according your business. Change your text according your business. You can edit every part of this website and publish it. Then we go our home page. Click here. Go dashboard. Click here and we edit our about a space. Click edit. Add new tab. Add key. So same thing, we add first of all our page layout, elementor with canvas. We import our header. We import our about us page. This is our about us page. Then we add our footer. You can change every part. You can add your social media account just here. You paste your social media link, or if you need any kind of help, you will text me. You just text me, I will help you. Then we publish, we complete our about us page. Then we edit our service page. Just click here, change page layout. We do every page same things. Add header. Add our service page. This is our service page. Then we add our header, footer. Then we add our footer. This is our footer. And publish. We complete our 3 page, and we now we add our contact page. And click here, change page layout. Then click here, add header. Then add contact page. Add contact page. If you need any kind of contact from, I will help you. You text me in WhatsApp or my social media. Then we add our footer. Publish. Our last page is our blog page. Edit here. Edit with Elementor. Change page layout. Add header. Add our blog page. Then add our footer. Then publish. So we complete our all pages. But if you want to visit your website, like visit your site, you you see you cannot see your design because we miss one important setting. So you go your settings and go reading and click here and connect to your home page and save changes. Now if you see hit your site, see this is your site. You can edit everything